you here with someone?
No, I'm just here. I thought Xander was gonna show up.
Oh, are you guys going out?
No, we're just friends. We used to go out, but we broke up.
How come?
He stole my Barbie. Oh, we were 5.
I want you to stay.
Hello. You're so very much the person I wanted to see.
Till I'm in the grave.
You can't stop this.
Yeah, I get that. It's just where else am I gonna go? You've been my best friend my whole life. We're all gonna end. Where else would I wanna be? I love you. You're Willow. If you wanna kill the world, then start with me. I've earned that.
Think I won't?
It doesn't matter. I'll still love you. Willow, you're the best human ever. I adore you. That's the first time. You rock. Willow, we're just kissing. Doesn't mean that much.
It just means that you'd rather be with someone you hate than be with me.
Sorry, I can't help myself. Your nose looks so tasty. Love poems? Smart chicks are so hot.
You couldn't have figured that out in 10th grade. You saved my life.
Hey, nobody messes with my Willow.
Okay. Let's go. Come on, you and me. Come on.
You know I can't take you.
You're so full of shit.
Damn straight.
Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid.
There, Willow, I'll kill you.
I don't think I could love you more. Might not be the but baby,
What?
I was just remember when my 8th grade cotillion? You had that clip on. Now here we are, and it's
Yeah, we should face it, Will. You and I are gonna be in neighboring restaurants while I can work so you can adjust well, I can't think of it. It's not really gross. Guess who?
Xander?
Yeah, but keep guessing anyway.
Xander. I'll say this for the white chromosome. Looks good in a tux.
Well, your double X's don't look too bad there either.
It's a good thing I realized I was gay, otherwise, hey.